Hey everyone, this is my first video for this year. I actually wanted to do one last week, but I was a bit sick, so I couldn't finish it in time. So anyways, for today's week, I'm doing a airplane paper craft. I've already made a few planes from this creator before, and they're always super nice. So I'll leave the link for the template in the description under the video. I printed my template on 120 GSM printing paper, but I did reinforce some parts, like the internal parts, with thicker paper just to give it a bit more stability. And I also stuffed some tissue paper inside the main airplane body. I should point out that when you're assembling the nose of the airplane, there is a part called 7B on the printout. That is basically an alternative to the nose part. So you can either do 7, 8, and 9, or you can just skip those and do 7B. For the wings, I added a piece of thicker paper at the bottom, just so that the bottom part of the wing doesn't curve and bend. blades can be a bit tricky to do, just because you have to kind of glue the paper around the wire. But I found that if you apply enough glue to the paper, it just kind of makes the paper softer, so it's easier to wrap it around the wire, if that makes sense. The number 27 is basically an optional part if you don't have a toothpick, but I just prefer to use the toothpick. I also should point out that I made a mistake and I turned the back wheel the wrong way around, so just make sure you turn it the opposite way than I did. As a final finish, I would recommend painting like the exposed toothpick parts where you can see the edges of the paper, just to finish it up nicely. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I will see you next week.